Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Please welcome Ding Dong Dantes and Charo Santos.
Yes! Woo!
Siya si Betty, ako si Ryan. Kami magkapit-bahay. Nagkakilala kami dahil magkatapat yung bahay namin. And may mga pareho kami interests at higit sa lahat may mga hinahanap ang aming mga puso't kaluluwa.
Ito talaga yung first story about love na ginawa ko. Romance talaga.
How does it feel, Charo?
Aba, nakakabagyan.
Love. Ano ang ibinibigay ng pelikula?
Love transcends everything.
Wow.
There are no labels, no boundaries. Age is just a number. When it comes to feelings, you just go with the flow. And when you go with the flow, it brings you happiness, authenticity. Ayun.
Dahil sinusunod mo lang.
Yes.
Diba? Charo o Charo?
Charo.
Leader, follower.
Leader.
I feel beautiful kapag.
When I wake up in the morning,
I feel sexy kapag.
after taking a bath,
I feel empowered kapag.
when I tell stories,
Gagawan mo ng pelikula ang buhay mo. Give it a title.
roses,
Wow. Sino ang gagawin mo na Charo?
Catherine,
Sino ang iriman?
marami sila.
Lights on or lights off, Charo?
Depende.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
And best time for chocolates.
Oh, nighttime.
Complete this. Dear Charo.
Stay happy.
Oh. Amazing, inspiring.
Inspiring.
Box office king, prime time king.
I don't know.
Lalong gumagawa ko, lalong may mayaman.
Pwede pa rin.
Under kinesis, spoiled kinesis.
Spoiled.
Galanteng boss, striktong boss.
Galante.
Lights on or lights off? Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
Complete this. Dear Dog.
Dear Dong, you guys.
Oh.
Napakarami.
Naku, ang dami.
Ang dami.
Oo. Bakit na lang na-challenge ka kay Betty?
Pero yeah,
Yeah.
parang ito, si Betty, mahirap siya ha. Oo, mahirap.
Yeah.
Ito, only we know.
Girl, siyempre, ganun din. Sabihin ba naman ni Ma'am Charo yun?
Ayoko na. He's a perfect gentleman.
Very professional and very generous.
Nakaka-homesick. Yeah, I really missed him. And yeah.
Oh, well, first time ni Ma'am Charo dito sa wing na ito ng GMA. So, mamaya ituturo natin siya sa mga studio kung may oras pa. Only We Know, showing na sa June 11. Ako, please watch it. We are so proud of this movie. We are also so in love with this movie. So, sinishare namin ito sa inyong lahat sa darating na June 11.
We promise you a beautiful experience. Kikiligin kayo. Promise, promise, promise. So please come and watch. Only We Know.